Slushy superior.
What the fuck?
Slushy. Bro, stop drinking my damn slushy.
The following program is rated TV-14 DLV. It is not intended for children. Your discretion is advised.
Oh yeah, put him in there, put him in there.
Don't put me in there, please. I'm begging you. Pizza Mage, what did I do to you?
Hey, yo!
Yo, Pizza, hold on, don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him.
Wait.
I thought we were good, bro.
Yeah. Why'd you try and kill me?
I thought we were good, bro. That bro's an L, I ain't gonna lie. I taught bro how to play.
I don't care about none of that. I don't care about nothing about nothing. Every nigga in here suck my dick.
Okay.
You wanted to camp up there like a loser, bro?
Oh, bro, he is a loser.
First of all, I was never pegged. Second of all,
Are you sure about that?
if you were to do so, you would forcefully fist yourself upon me. I ain't letting you do shit.
Bro, there's a clip. There's literally a clip.
Hey, come on, CJ. Or is it C7? Nah, CJ. Come on, CJ.
Who's Bozo?
Who this?
Bozo?
Get the fuck out of here, pussy.
Get the fuck up out of here. Sit the fuck down.
Okay.
Yo, who's this?
Oh, who's this nigga?
Sit the fuck down.
Bitch out of here.
Oh, nah, we doing run downs.
Alright, we taking over this prison. Everybody you knock, put inside a jail cell. Don't even kill him. Just put him inside the jail cell.
Yo, bro.
Jail.
Bro.
Guys, come on, people. Hop in.
Bro, that Hulk, yo, fuck that Hulk, bro. Like, where to me, bro? Nobody like him, bro. Nobody like him, bro.
Put everyone in jail.
Turn that shit around.
Nah, that means.
I'm gonna go find more people and put in jail. Come back
Nah. Oh.
Yeah, that's what we gonna do. That's how we getting niggas out of here. Drop all your gold and we gonna let you dip, nigga.
Drop all.
Word. Billy, stay on standby. Stay on standby.
How much gold is it?
Oh, 500? Oh yeah, you can definitely dip. You out.
Oh yeah, let that
Good
man
looks.
free.
W.
Goodbye.
Don't come back.
Luis.
Yo, PC, one coin.
Straight up. Fess up your
Nah,
Yo, I ain't gonna lie.
sure.
It's not the time to play some music. I ain't gonna lie. No music.
Yo, niggas clapped him.
That's like weird.
It's not the time to play some
Bro, we running a whole. Oh my god. Good looks. Yo, Joe Mill is a goat. Short flight.
Yo, Hulk! Fuck Hulk!
Pizza, come here, Pizza, come here.
Who needs AI in
Yo, what's up?
Yo, I wanna run this. I wanna run this with y'all.
I got
word?
15.29.
I don't know, you gotta talk to Pizza_Mange. That man's the main recruitment officer, bro.
I don't know, bro. Oh yeah, I was letting inmates out to pay me, my boys.
I gave
We're taking.
Oh, hold on. How much coins he dropped you? How much coins he dropped you?
100. That was nothing. That was nothing. That was 100.
Yo, W Mans.
That was only
No,
100.
bro, that's all you got.
Nah, 100 is low. 100 is low. You gonna have to pay us more,
That
bro.
is low.
I got shot at them just a little
at
bit.
least like 700.
Yo, but like, we pay. You
But you
pay.
can't be here.
spend
Like, you
back.
can't be
Yeah,
here.
but you
Because if
can't
you
be
stay here,
here.
then we
I
gonna
ain't
put you
gonna
back in
lie.
there.
Yo,
It can't be
somebody
too crowded,
just
bro.
ran through here.
It can't be too
Yo,
crowded.
short
so,
flight, what are you
Yo, you gotta go. Like, I know you pay this. Yeah. Yo, dog. Yo, you good? Yo, who the fuck is that? Hold on, who's that old nigga? Clap that nigga. Get him going.
Which one?
Oh, he trying to dip. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Get the
Nah. Yo, it's that Hulk! Hulk is throwing! Yo, help! Oh, nah!
Yeah. Now you getting touched. Yes.
That's tough. Any one of y'all can pay y'all coins, y'all leave forever.
Put the RPG down. Put the RPG down. Put the RPG down.
Drop that shit.
Being stingy with the
Move.
Got him.
And you, yo, tiny. Are you gonna pay? Are you gonna pay?
If he spin, I'll spin. You better drop that shit. Nah, bro.
I'm out.
Let me take my nice smoke break.
Dang, bruh. It must have been rough. We ain't seen you smoke since 3 years.
So y'all about to pay up y'all bill or what?
It's okay. You're very once in a while. You gotta light it up, you know?
Why are they paying themselves too, bro?
Why are y'all putting hearts to each other?
Wait, hold
Hey, yo, hold up. They fucking themselves?
Y'all cannot inmates. Y'all not be on that timing.
Hey,
Hold on. Y'all, nah, separate them.
It's loud.
And don't you fucking move.
Don't you dare be trying to fuck another inmate.
Open that. She gonna go with Deadpool, bro.
Hold on.
Right here.
Nah, they gonna run the train on her. Put her upstairs.
Put her upstairs.
Uh-huh.
How dare you, you horny ass bitch. Nobody told you you could fuck something in there.
Nah, think of what you did, bro.
RPG. I hear RPG. I hear RPG.
Oh no, I was just making sure they could think about what they was doing.
That's all I know, bro.
Who was singing? Hey!
Bro, who shouted that?
Shut
Singing
up!
in jail, bro.
Did I just catch you having fun?
Oh, put them together. Where they at? Where'd you put them at?
I put him down here in the little cell. He don't deserve a big boy cell.
Bet.
Yeah, since he
see his kids in
like killing with your.
Wait till you get
Yo!
wait till-
Yo! Yo!
What happened?
You don't get a big boy
Niso.
cell?
Niso. Niso.
Somebody's calling your
How you
name.
do that?
Who was
Right
calling
here,
you?
right here.
I'm calling. I'll give Niso some money.
I got one pizza.